What's up, YouTube Nation? I thought I'd do a quick video on how I take apart pallets. I've looked at many videos on YouTube and on other websites of people using varying techniques, and some work well, some don't work so well. And I hear a lot of people saying that the best technique is using a sawzall just to cut through the nails to get the boards off, which they say is the quickest. But unfortunately, I don't have access to a sawzall, so I've been using the next best method. And those are all the pallets that I've broken down so far. Those are the braces, brackets, or whatever you want to call them, and those are all the planks. And I have, I say about maybe 300 pallets. I've been getting from this place that's been giving them away ever since June. I've been going back and forth getting them whenever they pile up. And my intentions is to make what I call a man cave or an office, just a little spot where I can go and work on little stuff, have a little desk in there, because I'm always doing things, and I just need a little spot where I can be. And at first I was putting the panels together. These were going to be the walls. This is how I was putting them together. That's pallet 1, pallet 2, and putting 2 braces on each side of the butts to connect them. But after looking and doing a lot of research, I think I'm going to change this design. So I'm going to end up taking these apart. It's going to be double work, but I want it to be as sturdy and safe as possible. It's going to be over a ton, maybe over 2 tons of wood put together, and I want to be safe if I'm up in there, and I don't want all of this stuff coming crashing down on me. But anyway, this video is about how I take apart my pallets. What I use is this crowbar, which is really handy, and a rubber mallet. I use a rubber mallet just to cut down on the sound. I don't have any earplugs in. I do have a big hammer that I could use, but that's a lot of noise, metal banging against metal, so the rubber mallet does just fine. I'm going to try to prop this up so I can show you all how I do it. You all probably have seen this technique already, but it works pretty well if you don't have a saw. Sometimes it splits, sometimes it doesn't, just at the edge, but you just have to pull it very slowly. And I found out that these pallets are a little easier to take loose when they're wet. It's been raining constantly for like 3 days. And they're easier to take apart. When I pull out these nails, I'm going to reuse these braces or beams or whatever they're called. That's how I do it. It doesn't take too long to do, as you can see. Once you get in the flow and once you get in the rhythm, it goes pretty fast. Like I said, these are all the things I have so far. And I'm going to use these for varying projects, furniture, and little whatnots. I've just gotten an interest in woodwork. I'm an amateur. I'm just not starting. I just been doing this for like maybe 5 months now. I'm more of a mechanic. Um, um, just a yard mechanic. Not a professional in there, but everything I learn, I teach myself. And this is something else that I thought I'd like to do. But anyway, that's how I take apart my pallets. I'll do another video that talks more about the structure that I intend on building. Thanks for watching.